Let's see. Let's see, what are you doing? He's having a stroke. Are you, dude, did you like... Dude, you act like you had all your teeth pulled out forcibly. Yet they're still there. Shake. You're so weird. You're the weirdest dog in the world. Weird. Let's go see the other dogs. He's so weird.
Just number one.
He's so weird. What is he, like, afraid of us? Hello, little idiots. Especially you. Lead.
I think that dog either has a disease
I think he was just thirsty. Think so? Because once he drank water, he was fine. Okay. 'Tis all.
I wonder what this is.
That's one of Alex's toys.
He still plays with toys. It's sticky. Ew.
Okay.
Ew.
Doggy.